How to promote a post on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using a business or creator account. So open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, in the Settings and Activity page, tap on the Business Tools and Controls under the For Professionals tab. Further, tap on the Switch to Professional account and then follow the prompts in order to switch your account to professional mode. Once you are in professional mode, go to your profile and then find the post that you want to promote. You will then see the option for Promote or Boost Post button. So go ahead and tap on the Boost Post or Promote option depending on your device, and after tapping, Instagram will guide you through setting up your promotion. You will be required to select the goal or objective, and the options might include more profile visits, more website traffic, more DMs, and reach or engagement such as likes or comments. Select your preferred option and further define your audience. That is, if you want to use automatic audience or if you want to create a custom audience depending on your location, age range, interests, etc. You will then be required to set the budget and duration to decide how much you want to spend, that is daily or total. Also choose how long the promotion runs, that is days or date range. Finally, review and submit. So, confirm everything, that is the post, your audience, your budget, billing, etc., and then submit. Instagram or Meta will then review your promotion to make sure it meets the rules and policies. You can then try to use the insights on Instagram to see how your boost is doing, such as the reach, engagement, and clips if applicable. So this is how you can promote a post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.